Hi, here is a short video of the In2ition 2-in-1 Delta shower head. It features this removable shower head and this ring that can both work together or standalone. You can switch it to only the ring working or only the shower head. It's a very simple and very effective way to do it. It clicks very nice. There are two settings for the water, two strands, or whatever, how should I call it, two flow types. One is once you press the button, it switches to the higher mode. Press the button again, switches to the low mode. Once you do this, you can control the flow of water from the shower head, regardless of the flow of the water on the ring. So let me show you how this works. So it has nice steady small stream trickle from the ring, and by pressing this you can switch it to high volume mode. The ring shower stays the same. Once you click, it stays the same. No drop in pressure there, and you can turn it basically with this little lever on. This is full, this is half strength, and that's completely off, and then you can control this from your shower. Yeah, the shower offers really nice different settings for the flow of water. I like that it has like a big flow. It's not like the omnipresent type of water saving trickle shower head. This is nice and strong. So I really like that. And that's it. It clicks very nice. It is not very heavy, even with water inside this hose. It's not very heavy, so there is not a lot of pressure on this one. There is also a shower head. Holder for just the shower head. That comes with separately with the package. It's very good. I think they nailed this spot on. Thanks for watching. Bye.